My green hair dream. Many of my friends have dyed their hair all sorts of fun colors. Not just brown or blonde, but colors like a bright, sunny orange or a deep, mysterious purple. I told my mom I want to dye my hair green. I even explained that I would only use food coloring so it wouldn't last forever. My mom said that dyeing your hair was just a silly fad. She didn't think I would look good with green hair. If I can't dye my hair green, I said, maybe I could get a nose ring. My mom said no. How about a tattoo on my arm? I asked. No way, my mom said. She told me she did some silly things when she was young too. She used to iron her hair to make it straight. That sounds so boring compared to having green hair. My friend Joan came over. Her hair is bright pink. My dad said, "Nice hair, Joan," but I don't think he really meant it. My mom says that when I'm an adult, I can dye my hair whatever crazy color I want, but for now, she wants me to keep my natural color. I tried to tell her that all my friends were doing it. She asked, if all your friends were jumping off a cliff, would you do it too? I guess I'll have to wait to have green hair. Maybe by the time I'm old enough, I won't even want it anymore. Fads change all the time.